Hey guys, well today I'm going to show you some of the damage my air gun can do. There's my air gun. Shoots about, show you what. I think these are, AA batteries, weighing about 10 to 15 grams, the normal AA batteries. Here's the damage. As you can see, this was a normal phone once upon a time, and that's what's the end result. The battery is completely shattered it. They're the parts, the phone that just broke off. That was probably the camera backside. This is the frame. Nothing's really happened to the back part. I don't know why, but it's safe. This is the real damage. Screen's fucking shattered. Can't make out. This was a phone once upon a time. The bullet. Let me try taking it out. Yeah, it's coming out. You can see the bullet shatters as well, and it's made a hole sort of thing inside. You can see, and that's what my gun's capable of. I think the bullet tried coming out from here, but the screen held on. Well, this was at a range of about 15 to 20 meters. Not a lot, not quite close. Just ripped the phone apart. That was the result of the phone. Well, here's what it did to a can. Ripped it right through. I think, yeah, it went in there, I think, and came out from about there. If you can see, this hole's pretty small, but this is the real one. When I shot the battery, ripped the can clean through, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll be uploading some more videos of the damage it can do, but as of now, here's what it did to the phone, and here's what it did to the can. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And here's my air gun. Thanks guys.